Welcome back to Automaster, your go-to place for the latest car reviews, deep dives, and first looks. Today, we're taking a closer look at the stunning 2025 Lincoln Nautilus, a luxury midsize SUV that's making serious waves in the automotive world. The 2025 Lincoln Nautilus is Lincoln's bold step into the future of premium SUVs. Designed with sophistication and innovation in mind, the Nautilus blends American luxury with modern technology, offering a driving experience that feels both confident and serene. This is not just an SUV, it's Lincoln's redefinition of what a luxury crossover should be. From the outside, the new Nautilus looks elegant and futuristic. The bold, upright grille features a new illuminated Lincoln logo that lights up as you approach. Sleek LED headlights with dynamic lighting, a floating roof design, and clean body lines all contribute to a refined and aerodynamic profile. The rear features a full-width light bar that adds a high-tech feel and emphasizes the vehicle's width, giving it a strong road presence. Key features inside include a revolutionary 48-inch panoramic display that stretches across the dashboard, blending infotainment and driver information seamlessly. The interior is finished with high-quality materials, ambient lighting, and Lincoln's signature sanctuary experience, which includes scent customization and calming soundscapes. It supports Lincoln Blue Cruise hands-free driving, over-the-air updates, and has a spacious rear cabin for a truly first-class passenger experience. Under the hood, the Nautilus offers two powertrain options, a standard 2.0-liter turbocharged engine delivering 250 horsepower, and a hybrid version pairing that same engine with an electric motor for a total output of around 310 horsepower. Both are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and standard all-wheel drive, giving drivers smooth performance with impressive fuel economy. The 2025 Lincoln Nautilus starts at around $51,000, with higher trims pushing closer to $75,000 when fully equipped. Its key selling point lies in its blend of next-gen technology, luxurious comfort, and elegant design, making it a standout in a crowded luxury SUV market. Thanks for watching Automaster. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our latest car content. See you in the next one.